let's see what your grade is so far. 3, 3, 1, incomplete, and 3. Di ba ganon yun? Mr. Panelo's grade was 8.1. 2, medyo, that's very wide. So tell me, how do you see the President's next 5 years shaping up?
Sa akin ho, no, base sa trajectory nakikita ko, talagang hindi ho maganda ang magiging kahihinatnan natin dahil wala naman hong vision na nilatag ho, ano.
But why then, you cannot deny that most of the people, the Filipino people, approve of him. They give him, 60% approval, net approval. How do you explain this this dichotomy between your rating and the rest of the Filipino people's rating?
Baka ito yung carry over nung momentum nung kanyang popularity. Remember, he came from 92 or 93%, ano? So, grabe yung level of optimism ng tao that he could be the one who will make a difference, ano, in the lives of the people. So, ando doon yun, maraming nagbibigay pa rin ng konting panahon pa sa kanya to deliver on his promises. So, alam niyo yung Pilipino kasi, compared to Westerners, ano tayo, very patient people tayo, very good-natured, very resilient. So, hindi tayo reklamador.
We are talking about the possible future performance of the President. Talagang malakas ang tunog na meron siyang problema sa health.
No, chismis lang yun.
Chismis
The President is strong.
Nung sinabi ni Senator Tata, pumunta si Presidente sa China for 2 days. Talagang wala.
Unang-una, pag nagpunta kayo sa China, Presidente ito nagbasa, di na kumalat na kagad.
Incognito nga.
As you said, ikaw na nga nagsabi na yung incognito, impossible yun eh.
Oo.
Di ba? Ewan ko yung last na bigla na naman daw nawala, tapos meron pang sinasabing nakakoma.
Napaka-excited ang mga imagination natin.
Koma,
ano?
nakakoma daw. Sabi niya nga, anong koma? Nasa kama ako, sabi niya.
Duterte will live through the rest of his term.
In other words, his health is not a problem.
It's not a problem.
Okay. You said when you were our guest last time that by May of this year, he would have been impeached already. O hindi naman nangyari yon. So, what grade will you give to yourself as a forecaster of things to come?
No, when I said that, it's not as a forecast, but that's the objective. Ginawa namin yung kailangan gawin. Kinausap yung mga dapat kausapin ng mga kongresista para suportahan, pero because of, yun na nga, yung fear factor ay hindi sila gumalaw. Kaya nga, meron kaming plan B, which is itong ICC.
Okay, let's say the International Criminal Court issues a warrant for his arrest. Will the Filipino people allow him to be arrested?
It depends on the approval rating of Duterte at that time.